Hey guys, Carl here with Adventures of Carlienne, and I really hope you're enjoying this Hawaiian at Home series where we are hopefully helping you make all your favorite Hawaiian dishes at home. Now, if you're one of those people that doesn't really know what to order at a Hawaiian spot, or you're not really feeling that whole chicken katsu fried thing or spam musubi, then you should not live. Just kidding. But seriously, if you want a more healthier option, even though it's kind of not healthy, but technically compared to the other things, it is kind of healthier, but it's kind of sort of still not really, then Hawaiian BBQ chicken is your plate, So I haven't really made this dish in a long time, and I'm really excited to make it. So let's go ahead and dive into it. If you really like this content, go ahead and share, like it. Please subscribe, it'll help us a lot, and we'll put out more. If you have any requests, let us know. And yeah, let's dive into this barbecue chicken. Okay guys, to make this really tasty Hawaiian barbecue chicken, all you're gonna need is some brown sugar, soy sauce, the regular one's just fine, smashed garlic, and some peeled and crushed ginger. Oh yeah, some chicken would help too. So the first thing you're gonna do is make this marinade, and we're gonna take 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce and mix that together. I like to warm up the soy sauce a little bit just so that the brown sugar melts a little easier when you're stirring it together. And finally, you're gonna go ahead and Hulk smash 3 to 4 garlic cloves and peel and slice 4 to 5 slices of ginger and add it to your mix. Combine it with your chicken, cover it, label it, then stuff it in your refrigerator overnight for the best results. And when you're ready, it's time to cook. Now you can hit this on the grill if you have one, but I usually like to just do the pan sear and oven finish method. So what you're gonna do is heat a pan to about a medium-high heat and sear it on both sides so it kind of gives off that barbecued on a grill type of look. Then you're gonna finish it in a 350-degree oven for as long as it takes. Really depends on how big your thighs are. Mine are pretty big. And then it's plating time. Just like our Hawaiian plate fashion, let's go ahead and get your 2 scoops of rice, your shredded cabbage, 1 scoop of mac or 2, and then plop that nicely browned grill looking chicken thigh right on top. I like to garnish mine with a little green onion and some furikake, and then it's time to eat. And there you have it. That is Hawaiian barbecue chicken. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, shoot us a subscribe. We have plenty more coming out, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.